Owning some hypercars is so expensive that even basic maintenance can cost more than buying a brand new car. The Bugatti Veyron requires removing large sections of the rear body just to access the engine for routine servicing. The process involves draining multiple fluid systems and replacing specialized filters designed only for that car. Because of the complex quad-turbo engine layout, the service takes several hours and must be performed by factory-trained technicians. That's why a simple oil change can cost over $25,000. So for owners, the real price of a hypercar isn't buying it, it's maintaining it.